Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a review about Boost Mobile. So I'm on friendlyinternet.com here. So it says here, grab a free Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 when you switch to Boost Mobile. So if you guys are thinking about switching carriers and you guys want a free phone in the process, Boost Mobile has a great phone to check out here. So the Moto G Stylus 5G recently got released to Boost Mobile. So if you guys switch to Boost Mobile, y'all guys can get a free Moto G Stylus 5G, which is really cool. So the Moto G Stylus 5G is a great budget smartphone with a stylus pen. So check it out now if you guys are interested. So let's go ahead and check this out. So there is the Moto G Stylus right there, very nice looking phone. So yeah, so it says that Boost Mobile has an unbeatable deal for those who don't mind switching their service to the carrier's network. The Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 is available for free until August 24th. Although you will have to go to a Boost Mobile retail store to get the deal. So you guys will have until August 24th to get this deal here, and you guys have to get to a Boost Mobile store to get this deal. So fair enough. It says here, alternatively, anyone can purchase the Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 from the carrier's website for 50% off. It's a fairly good deal considering this is a new device that supports 5G and has a stylus. So $150 is a steal, especially with 5G. So if you guys can get it for $150, go for it. But free is better. So yeah. Says here, featuring a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor coupled with 128 GB of internal memory and 6 GB of RAM. The Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 is geared up to provide a more than decent performance in almost every scenario. Obviously, the phone makes a good combo when combined with Boost 5G network, but you'll also need a specific plan to go with it. The phone's 5,000 mAh battery features 20-watt wired charging support, which isn't much but should do considering the phone's price. That is decent. There's also a side-mounted fingerprint sensor in case you need it, a 3.5mm headphone jack, along with stereo speaker, Dolby Atmos support, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, of course. All of the phone ships with Android 13 right out of the box. Motorola is expected to provide Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 users with an Android 14 upgrade as soon as the new OS is made available, which is sometime this fall, so stay tuned for that. Keep in mind while Motorola released the Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 in two colors, Cosmic Black and Rose Champagne. Only the former is available at Boost Mobile, which is the Cosmic Black color option. That shouldn't be an issue though, since black is one of the classic flavors. Alright, so basically it's just giving you guys the phone specs and everything else. So yeah, if you guys are looking to switch carriers and y'all guys want a free phone in the process, Boost Mobile has a deal for you. Go to a Boost Mobile store before August 24th and get yourself a free Moto G Stylus 5G. Definitely worth checking out. You will probably have to port your number over, and you probably will have to get you'll probably get like the top tier plans from Boost Mobile, so keep that in mind as well. But other than that, I think it's a great deal for new customers, and this could potentially bring people back to Boost Mobile here. So check it on out. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.